Plant growth regulators were classified into two types. First one is plant growth promoters and plant growth inhibitors. Plant growth promoters, so they are promoting the growth. Here auxins, gibberellins and cytokinins. Auxins, gibberellins and cytokinins. So these are involving in the cell division, cell enlargement, flowering, fruiting, seeding. That's why here these are known as plant growth promoters. They are involving in the growth. Auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins are considered as plant growth promoters. Next, plant growth inhibitors. They are involving in the inhibition of growth. The falling of leaves and fruits. Here that is here abscission. Here inhibitors are inhibiting the growth. Abscisic acid is also one inhibitor. Ethylene and abscisic acid, they are considered as plant growth inhibitors. Here mainly they are involving in the dormancy and abscission. Here abscisic acid is completely, it is inhibitor, but ethylene is it fits in the two categories, plant growth promoters and plant growth inhibitors. Here it fits in the two categories, but most of the actions or physiological effects are related to inhibition. That's why it is included in the inhibitors. So these are the two categories of plant growth regulators: plant growth promoters, auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, involving in the cell division, cell enlargement, flowering, fruiting, seeding. Plant growth inhibitors are inhibiting the growth. Here these are abscisic acid and ethylene. Here abscisic acid and ethylene, they are involving in the dormancy and abscission, falling of leaves, fruits and seeds. So this type of abscission, it is controlled by here abscisic acid and ethylene. So it is the classification of plant growth regulators.